Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, here going to show you how to add icons to buttons in Webflow. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. In this case, you might be wondering, how do you add your icons here in Webflow? Well, adding them is pretty simple. So the first thing that you want to do here is you want to go ahead and basically open up your website here in Webflow. Now from here, we need to do a few things. That includes adding a font, which in this case, the next thing you want to do is you want to go to the official website for Font Awesome, which is fontawesome.com. Now from here, what we need to do is we need to scroll down a bit until you see the option here for download. So usually it's going to be at the very bottom here. Go ahead and click on download. And from here, what we need to do is we need to choose the option for the web. Now from here, let's go ahead and click on free for web. And it should start our download here. So in this case, let's just wait for it to finish downloading. Now, once the download is complete, what we need to do next is we need to go back into Webflow. Now, from here, we need to go to the top left of your screen, which is in this case, the 3-bar icon. And from here, you want to go to site settings. Now, by the way, you want to go ahead and open up the download that we just did here. We have our Font Awesome download. Now, what you need to do is you need to double click on this one to open up the extraction here. And in this case, by the way, you can use WinRAR for this one. But once you see this, just drag it into the outside here. And once it's actually in here, we have our folder. Let's go and go back into our Webflow. Now from here, what we need to do is we need to go to fonts. And in here, what we need to do is we need to add custom fonts. Let's go and click on upload. And from here, let's go and choose Font Awesome. And from here, let's go to web fonts, and you can go ahead and choose whatever format you want. But in this case, I'll be using the FA Brands 400 here. So make sure to select the WOLF 2 here. So I can also select the regular as well as the solid for this one. Now from here, make sure to select all the WOLF 2 here. Now, by the way, let's go and click on open to add this one to start the upload process. Now let's go ahead and basically upload font file here. And that should be good. By the way, if you scroll down a bit here, you should be able to see the font file for the other one. Let's go and click on upload font file to upload it and add it into our account here. Let's go and click upload font file for all this one. Now, once you're done, what we need to do is we now need to go ahead and go back into our site. Let's go and go back real quickly here. And basically start editing our website again. Now in here, what we need to do is we need to add our button. Let's go ahead and add a simple button here. And from here, you could add whatever thing that you want here. But in this case, you want to go ahead and go to the end of it, and you want to go ahead and add a space. By the way, you could go and select your text here first and set whatever font you want. Add some customization. But in this case, let's go and go to Font Awesome again. And you want to go ahead and click on icons at the very top here. And from here, let's go ahead and choose the following categories here. So maybe I want to say for media playback. So yeah, so let's go and choose free here because we want to use the free version for this one. By the way, you could remove some of the tags that we have. So media playback, that they could go and delete that. And from here, we could choose whatever icon here. So for example, maybe I want to use an icon here that I want to maybe get, like for example, shield half here. Let's go and click on it to see it. Now in this case, let's go and click on copy glyph at the top right here. By the way, you could change a few things here, like duotone if you want classic, but let's just choose the classic one here. You could do whatever you want or whatever design. Now from here, let's go ahead and paste this by pressing Ctrl V from our keyboard. Now it's going to be this block here because we don't have the correct font for this one. Let's go ahead and select or highlight it. And from here, what we need to do next is we need to now select the correct font for this one. So in this case, you want to go ahead and scroll down a bit here and you want to look for font. Now we have font here. Let's go and click on this one. And from here, you could select the following options. So we have the following. So custom fonts, FA 400. We also have a bunch here. Let's go and select the correct one here. So we have FA solid 900 because by default, we have the solid one here. So yeah, so in this case, you could go ahead and use this one. Now, if you want to use a specific font, yeah, you could use whatever font you want to use here, but just take note, this will also affect the text that we have here. But yeah, so in this case, this is the way for us to add icons in Webflow, and that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.